Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel on Mac. First, locate and open the Excel application from your Mac's Applications folder or dock. Once open, you can choose to start a new blank workbook or open an existing file from your recent documents. Familiarize yourself with the ribbon at the top, which organizes all the essential tools and functions into logical tabs like Home, Insert, and Data. This layout helps you quickly find what you need for your tasks. Mastering basic formulas is key to efficient data handling. You can perform simple arithmetic operations directly in cells, like adding two numbers or subtracting values. Excel also offers powerful built-in functions such as SUM to total arrange, average to find the mean, and count to tally entries. Remember to always start a formula with an equal sign, and reference cells like A1 or B5 for dynamic calculations that update automatically. Organizing your data makes it much more understandable. You can easily sort your data in ascending or descending order, whether it's text or numbers, using the Data tab. Filtering allows you to display only the information that meets specific criteria, hiding the rest temporarily. To visualize trends and patterns, create various charts such as bar graphs, line charts, or pie charts, which transform raw numbers into clear, impactful visuals. To boost your productivity, learn some essential keyboard shortcuts. They can save you significant time navigating and editing. For instance, Command+S saves your work quickly. If you're sharing sensitive information, protect your worksheets or entire workbooks with a password to restrict access. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and productive throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.